So good morning students, welcome back. Today we'll discuss the formation of images from concave mirror. That is one of the most important part of this chapter. Okay, so let's start. The first diagram, formation of images by concave mirror, and our first given condition is when the object is at infinity. Okay, look students, so first of all I'm going to make a concave mirror. Look at, this is the opaque surface painted by sodium bromide, and that is the reflecting surface. This is a concave mirror. Okay, look at when the object is at infinity, whenever the object is placed at infinity, parallel light beams comes on that object. Okay, so look at friends, a rays incident, it get reflect. Look at, see the direction, a rays incident, it get reflect. This is the pole, that is a concave mirror. Look at, another light rays comes parallel to the first one, a rays incident, look at, a rays incident, and it get reflected in same direction. Okay, when both intersect at this point, at that will get image I. Okay, object is placed at infinity, so parallel light rays will come, a rays incident, it get reflect, another rays incident, and it get reflected in same direction because it is passes from center of curvature, and here we'll get image at principal focus. This is a focus point, principal focus, and the important thing is this image will be real, inverted, and very smaller as compared to object. So this is our first condition. When the object is placed at infinity, you have to remember, a rays incident, it get reflect, another rays incident, it get reflect in same direction. Okay, where both the light rays intersect, at which we'll obtain the real and inverted image. Okay, and it is much smaller than as compared to object. Object is placed at infinity, that is sign of infinity, and whenever the object is placed at infinity, parallel light rays will come. These two are parallel, and a rays incident, it get reflect. And remember, this light rays again passes from reflect in same direction because it passes from center of curvature. Okay, so this is our first condition when the object is at infinity. Condition, look the second condition, when the object is beyond the center of curvature. Look at friends, in that condition that I made a concave mirror. Suppose this is center of curvature and A is the object. Okay, this is the, O is the object. C is the center of curvature. When the object is beyond, this object is beyond the center of curvature. In that condition, look at, a rays incident, it get reflect. See the direction of light rays. A rays incident, it get reflect. Another rays incident, it get reflect. I'm going to make double arrow. Okay, so you will not face any difficulty in understanding. Another rays incident, it get reflect. Both intersect at that point. At this will obtain the image. This is the principal focus. It means when object is placed beyond the center of curvature, in that condition we will obtain image between center of curvature and principal focus. We will obtain the image between C and F. And the nature of image is, it is real, inverted, and smaller as compared to object. See one more time the diagram. When the object is beyond the center of curvature, this is our object. Okay, and it is just placed beyond the center of curvature. Okay, after center of curvature. And we know every object emits the light rays, so it releases the light. After getting reflection, it will follow this path. Another rays incident, it get reflect. When the both first and second light rays intersect at any point at which we'll obtain image, it is real, inverted, and smaller. And the most important thing, we are getting the position between C and F. We'll obtain between C and F. Okay students? Now the third condition, when the object is at the center of curvature. Look students, I made the mirror, that is concave mirror, okay, and this time the object is placed at C. This is center of curvature. Object is placed at center of curvature. This is center of curvature. So it will release, object will release the light rays, a rays incident, it get reflect. Okay students, I'm going to make single arrow. Okay, now another rays incident and it will intersect at this point. Okay, look students, I'm showing it by double arrow sign, so you will not face any difficulty in understanding the path of the light rays. That is the most important part. See, object is placed at center of curvature. See, this is center of curvature. A rays incident, it get reflect. Another rays incident, it get reflect and intersect at this point at which will obtain image. That was object. It means when object is placed at center of curvature, in that condition, image will also form at center of curvature. When the object is at center of curvature, see, in that condition, we also obtain the image at the same point center of curvature. It is real, inverted and equal in the size of object. That is an important portion. Object and image will obtain at same point if object is placed at center of curvature. In that condition, image will also obtain at center of curvature. It is real, inverted and equal in the size with object. Okay students, this will be our third condition. Now students, the fourth condition, when the object is between C and F. C center of curvature, F is principal focus. Okay, so now I'm going to make the diagram. That is the concave mirror. Okay students, and simply this is the center of curvature and this is F principal focus, and suppose this is the object. Look students, according to given condition, the object is lies between center of curvature and principal focus. In that condition, a rays incident, it get reflect and it will pass from principal focus. Okay. Another, look at students, now another rays incident, it get reflect. I'm going to make double arrow, so you will not face any difficulty in understanding the path of the light rays, and both intersect at that point, so we will obtain image beyond the C. Look at students, that is important. When object is placed, O is the object is placed between center of curvature and principal focus. In that condition, a light rays incident, it get reflect. Another rays incident, it get reflect. Both intersect at this point, will obtain image beyond the center of curvature. It is real, inverted and bigger in the size of object. It means we will obtain the bigger image as compared to object. Okay students? Case of concave mirror, when the object is at focus, when the object is placed at principal focus at F. Look students, that is the concave mirror. Okay, and this time the object, this is the object placed at principal focus. This is the principal focus. Okay students, now look, a rays incident, it get reflect, and after reflection it will pass from principal focus, the first light rays. Another light rays incident, okay, and it will reflect in same direction. Why? Because it is passes from center of curvature. So this will be a double arrow. Okay, look at see one more time. A rays incident, it get reflect. Another rays incident, it get reflect in same direction. Why? Because it is passing from center of curvature. Whenever the light rays passes from center of curvature, it will reflect in same direction. A rays incident, it get reflect. another rays incident, it get reflect. So look at, after getting reflection, the light rays become parallel. It means we'll obtain image at infinity. So that is the reciprocal of that first case. When what was in first case? When object plays at infinity, we obtain image at focus. So that is reciprocal, that is inverse case. Here object is placed at focus and we are getting image at infinity. And this will be the real inverted and very large in size as compared to object. So the nature of image is what? Real and inverted, and it is large as very large as compared to size of object.